Hello, and welcome to our video explaining how to port low-layer examples within the same STM32 family. In this video, we will show how to download and install the STM32CubeL4, how to open and compile low-layer examples for STM32 Nucleo 64, and how to port a low-layer example to the Discovery Kit. First, let's download STM32CubeL4 from the ST.com website. Open the www.st.com website with your favorite browser and search for STM32Cube. Select STM32Cube Embedded Software. Select the L4 box. Click on Get Software. Accept the license agreement and download the software package. You could also download STM32CubeL4 from STM32CubeMX. Run the STM32CubeMX application and check to see if your installation is up to date. You can now install new libraries like STM32CubeL4. It is possible to import in STM32CubeMX a previously downloaded STM32Cube package. Click on the From Local button. We unzip the STM32CubeL4 archive and have a look inside its hierarchy. Our STM32CubeL4 archive contains examples and templates for boards based on STM32L4. We open our low-layer driver example using the System Workbench for STM32. We choose the LED blinking example for Nucleo L476RG, which is an STM32 Nucleo 64. We will find the LED blinking example following the pink boxes. Double-clicking on the .c project file will open the low-layer example in System Workbench. As you can see, our example was successfully opened in the System Workbench. We will build this example with System Workbench for STM32. Follow the pink boxes to find the Build Configurations and Build All menus. Our example was successfully built. Now, we flash our STM32 Nucleo 64 board. We flash our STM32 Nucleo 64 board by clicking on the Target, then Program Chip menus. Our board was successfully flashed. The LED is blinking. Our program behaves as expected. We opened the low-layer template for Discovery Kit in System Workbench for STM32. The steps highlighted by the pink boxes show how to import the low-layer template for Discovery Kit. Our template was successfully imported. To port our Nucleo example to Discovery Kit, we need to update the main.c file. In the System Workbench for STM32, we can access existing low-layer examples and the low-layer template. We create ported code merging a low-layer example and the board-specific configuration code paragraph from the low-layer template. This can be done thanks to copy and paste operations. We copy the example code into the low-layer template, preserving the board-specific configuration code paragraph. We can adjust clock and PLL settings to modify LED blinking frequency. To port our STM32 Nucleo 64 example to Discovery Kit, we need to update the main.h file. In System Workbench for STM32, we can access the existing low-layer example and the low-layer template. We create a ported code merging a low-layer example and the board-specific configuration code paragraph from the low-layer template. This can be done thanks to copy and paste operations. We copy example code into the low-layer template, preserving the board-specific configuration code paragraph. We build the ported code with System Workbench for STM32. Follow the pink boxes to find the Build Configurations and Build All menus. Our example was successfully built. Then we flash our Discovery Kit. We will flash our STM32 Discovery Kit by clicking on the Target, then Program Chip menus. Our board was successfully flashed. The LED is blinking. Our program behaves as expected.